the baggage to Jeremy and family. Hello, Mai! Mai, hello!
Ay, Rita.
Ria! Hi!
Rita, wait lang.
Rita, para princess? Okay.
Paano to?
Tapos tomorrow. Saan ang punta niyo? Sa ano? Sa Amerika? Pupunta pa kayo
Di
sa
ba po, Japan po po?
Okay, we're here at the Hilton Hotel. Visit my sister-in-law, Nida, and brother. And give their brothers. Sylvia! Hi! Hi! Mai!
Wait lang na. Wait lang po.
Wait up para princess. Okay. Okay. Here is the Hilton Hotel. Very nice. Okay. Princess, princess. Hello everyone. We're here at Hilton Hotel. Visit on Anita. Because tomorrow they will go to Japan. We're in the baggage. Okay? We're here. Bye-bye.
Ako sa sana hindi ko lang tayo siya maganda guys.
Okay? And Dr. Princess. Okay.
Okay.
God bless everyone. Bye. Okay. Let's go.